Today I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of the use of templates in ClickUp. So there's so many ways that you can use templates, and templates really make your life a whole bunch easier. So let's just go down here into our projects. We have now we're viewing our projects, and let's say, for example, we want to just go into board view. We want to add, let's say we want to add a task. Okay, here we can actually add a task, but if we do not want to just enter all the information ourselves, we can click on templates. You can do the exact same if you're going into add milestone, form response, meeting note. And then if you want to go down and just view all of the templates, you can click on browse templates. Here you can see that there are template types. So if you're in a space, you'll see space templates. If you're in a folder, likewise, same for a list, task, doc, a view, and a whiteboard. And then you can also filter out the complexity, and you can see over here, these are ClickUp templates, and you can go ahead, look through the templates, choose one that you'd like. Let's say, for example, this one. Click on it, click on use template, select your location, which will be your space, your project, and then you're going to have some import options. So you can import everything, or you can customize your import items, and then you can start, you can create your start and due dates, you can import as is, or you can remap the dates. Again, once you've created this template, you can always come back and change all of the properties of this template. So it'll show up over here. And once you are done, you have now used a template. As I said previously, you can go into this menu over here and you can browse templates. So as I said, for example, a form response, you can go here. You'll see now you can click on templates. You can say use template. And here you can find those templates again for creating and customizing.